this forms the apex of the cubital fossa. And the কি হ্যাঁ So today we will be talking about the cubital fossa. The margin of the cubital fossa is formed by the lateral margin of the pronator teres and the medial margin of brachioradialis. As you can see, the pronator teres and the brachioradialis meet at a point. This is known as the apex of the cubital fossa. The base is formed by an imaginary line joining the two epicondyles of the humerus. This is an imaginary line. So now we will be talking about the contents, which can be memorized by the mnemonics TAN. So first of all, the T. T comes from the tendon of biceps. As you can see, this is the biceps, and this is the biceps brachii, and this is the tendon. And another branch comes off from here. This is the bicipital aponeurosis. The bicipital aponeurosis acts as a bridge. Okay, we will talk about that later. Let's come to the next part, that is the A, that is artery. As you can see, this part, if you feel this, you can see straw-like texture. If you press it, it compresses down. And then comes the nerve. So how to differentiate? This is the median nerve. Now how to differentiate between this and this? Because aesthetically it looks the same. So if you press this, it is solid. But if you press this, it is straw-like. So that is how you differentiate. This is brachial artery and this is median nerve. Now so this is, as I said, is the bicipital aponeurosis. This acts as a bridge and it separates the brachial artery from the medial cubital vein. So this is the medial cubital vein. Unfortunately, it has been cut because it is very superficial. Now the medial cubital vein joins the cephalic vein
and the basilic vein.
The picture is there in the atlas. And see here, this is the brachioradialis, and in the arm there was brachialis.
Yes.
Now in the arm portion we studied that between this is the brachialis. So we studied that between brachialis and brachioradialis there is a nerve, that is the radial nerve. So radial nerve comes from here and it emerges in this portion, radial nerve. So this is the superficial part of radial nerve, and this is
the deep part.
The deep part goes into the supinator. So if you go here, this is the supinator here, and that is all.
Thank you.